What if I told you that building wealth isn't about making more money? It's about keeping more of what you already earn. Today, I'll reveal how you can turn smart, frugal habits into long-term wealth. These aren't just tips for saving a few bucks. They're proven strategies that can change your financial future. Stick around, because the last habit is one even seasoned savers often overlook: the wealth-building mindset. When most people think about building wealth, they imagine big paychecks, fancy investments, or starting the next million-dollar business. But the truth is, wealth doesn't start with how much you make. It starts with how much you keep. Frugality is the secret weapon of financially successful people. It's not about being cheap, it's about being intentional with your money. In this video, I'll share smart, frugal habits that can help you save more, invest wisely, and build lasting wealth. Let's dive in. Habit number 1. Prioritize needs over wants. The first step to building wealth is mastering the art of distinguishing between needs and wants. Successful people know how to focus on what truly matters and delay gratification for bigger rewards later. How to apply it? Before making a purchase, ask yourself, is this a need or a want? Create a simple wait list for wants. Give yourself 30 days to decide if you still feel it's worth the cost. This habit helps you spend less on impulse purchases and channel that money toward wealth-building opportunities like savings or investments. Habit number 2. Automate your savings. Building wealth requires consistency, and one of the easiest ways to stay consistent is by automating your savings. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable expense. It's the pay yourself first principle. How to apply it? Set up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account or investment fund as soon as you get paid. Start small if needed. Even 5 to 10% of your income can grow significantly over time. Automating removes the temptation to skip saving and ensures your wealth-building efforts remain on track. Habit number 3. Live below your means. This is the golden rule of wealth building. Living below your means creates a gap between what you earn and what you spend, and that gap is where wealth grows. How to apply it? Avoid lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, don't immediately upgrade your spending. Find joy in low-cost activities and experiences. Wealthy people often prioritize simple pleasures over flashy displays of wealth. By living below your means, you create financial breathing room to invest, save, and prepare for unexpected expenses. Habit number 4. Leverage the power of bulk buying. One often overlooked wealth-building strategy is buying in bulk. While it might seem like a small savings tactic, over time, buying essentials in bulk can significantly reduce your overall expenses. How to apply it? Purchase items like toiletries, cleaning supplies, and pantry staples in larger quantities to take advantage of discounts. Plan your storage to avoid waste. Keep an organized inventory to ensure you use what you buy. This habit not only cuts costs but also frees up money for more important financial goals. Habit number 5. Invest in your knowledge. Wealth building isn't just about saving, it's about making informed decisions with your money. Investing in your financial education is one of the smartest frugal habits you can develop. How to apply it? Read personal finance books, attend free webinars, or follow credible financial educators online. Focus on learning about budgeting, investing, and creating passive income streams. An investment in knowledge often yields the highest returns, enabling you to make smarter financial moves. Habit number 6. Maximize free and low-cost resources. We often overlook the incredible value of free and low-cost resources available to us. From libraries to community events, there are countless ways to save money while still enjoying a fulfilling life. How to apply it? Borrow books and DVDs from your local library instead of buying them. Explore free apps and tools for budgeting, meal planning, and financial tracking. Using these resources can help you save hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars a year. Habit number 7. Track your progress regularly. Building wealth is a long-term game, but tracking your progress keeps you motivated and ensures you stay on course. How to apply it? Review your savings, investments, and expenses monthly. Celebrate milestones, like paying off a debt or reaching a new savings goal. This habit creates accountability and helps you adjust your strategy as needed to stay on the path to financial independence. Bonus habit: invest in quality to save in the long run. Frugality isn't about buying the cheapest option, it's about buying the best value. High-quality items may cost more upfront, but they often save money over time by lasting longer and requiring fewer replacements. How to apply it? Focus on durability when purchasing clothing, appliances, or furniture. Do research before buying to ensure you're getting the best quality within your budget. This habit ensures you make purchases that align with your wealth-building goals, not just your short-term needs. Conclusion: frugality is the gateway to wealth. Building wealth doesn't require a big salary or extreme sacrifices. By adopting smart frugal habits, you can create a strong financial foundation, save consistently, and make intentional choices that lead to long-term wealth. Which habit resonates most with you? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to start building their wealth through frugality. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how well you manage what you have. Start with these habits, and watch your financial future transform.